Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the network and scanning in Python programming language. Let's get started. If you can imagine, you have a house and any people want to enter into your house, and this code to check what the door open. You can imagine the door as a port in network, and this code to check what the door any open. If you have house, there are many door. For example, in front of and in here it is the door, and in the kitchen room, in the bathroom, in the guest room, and any room. I think there is the door in that room, and hacker want to enter to your room or to your house through the door which opened, and this code to check what or do your the door open or not. If your the door open so easily, hacker to enter into your house, and then the hacker can do anything in your house, maybe to steal your television, your money, and anything. And it is similar in the coding. Maybe hacker can steal your data and then transfer your data into them without you know. Maybe if you have a account bank, and then hacker can know your username and password. And in here, in this board, I show you the code to check your the door open or close. You can see in here the module socket, and then the function of scan port, and in the last you can scanning IP address in here. Module socket. Module socket, it is used to making a network, and this is to check what the port open or close. You have to import this module, and the function of this want you to check your port or your the door open or close. If your port open, and then it makes easier hacker enter into your room, into your house, or into your code. And in network, I think you know the port of network. For example, port 403, 405, or 80. This port has a different function. If this port open, so hacker can enter into your laptop, into your computer. Okay, so you have to using module socket. Don't forget to write like this. And then for the function of scan underscore port IP sort, you can see on this sock equal socket dot al underscore init socket dot sock underscore stream. It has a meaning. Af underscore init to create socket object with a IPv4 address. To create IPv4 Internet Protocol version 4. You have to create this af underscore init and this function to create socket object with IPv4 address. And this code sock underscore stream, the function to communicate with TCP. TCP is Transmission Control Protocol, and I think you know the difference between UDP and TCP. TCP is Transmission Control Protocol versus UDP. UDP is User Datagram Protocol. TCP, in general, you have a packet of data have to transfer perfectly from sender to receiver perfectly. Before sending this packet, TCP will check the data. If the data complete, so TCP will send this data. But if any data lost, and TCP will wait until the data completes. And UDP vice versa. Next, for the socket dot set timeout 1. The function to wait the time until 1 second. If there is no response from this port, so the hacker cannot enter into your code. And in here, result equal so connect X IP port. This function to try connecting to this IP and in particular port. If the connection success, if result equal 00, it means if the connection success, it means the port opens. If there is no get result not 0, it means the ports close. Equal 00, it means the port open. If the port open, so the program will create the number port which open. If open, code will create number port, maybe X0 or anything port. But if the port close, so the program cannot create the number of port. And then we can create this sock.close to saving your source. And the last one for getting the target, for example this IP like this, IP target 192.168.11, and this for Python range, it means the code will do scanning starting from 1 until 99 to looping. 100, it means the code will do looping. And scan underscore port target P to check in every port one by one. Checking port one by one. I think enough for this explanation. Before you scan, you check the port open or close. You can use this code. You have to import socket and use this function, and then you write your target IP. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.